Just open it up, and when it opens, you're going to see some options for what sort of project you'd like to start on. Acoustic instrument is for when you're recording with a microphone. Piano would be good for if you had your computer hooked up to a keyboard, for example, and want to create your songs with fake instruments. And loops, which is what we're going to use today, are good for showcasing different sound clips. So when you've selected the one that you want loops, make sure it's on New Project and click Choose. And it'll ask you to give it a name, so we're going to call it Loops and save it to the desktop. So we're going to click Create, and it's going to give us our empty canvas, empty project. Now you're going to see here you have your different examples of things that you can use for loops. You should pick which one you want. So I usually start with drums because that's a good place to start, and you have a lot of different options for things that you can use. To see what it sounds like before you commit to it, you just click on it and it plays. Let's try this one. Okay, I like that one. Click on it again to get it to stop. Over here you can see how many beats long it is. You can mark it as your favorite if you want to. But I like this one, so you click on it and you drag it over here, and then it will become part of our project. And there it is. So to play it, you just click your spacebar and it'll go. And that's what we have so far. So that stops after one measure, and I want it to go on longer. So I'm going to loop it by bringing my mouse up so that it makes this little arrow symbol up in the corner, clicking down and then dragging it over, and it will just play the same beat over and over and over again until I tell it to stop. Let's stop it here. So now it just is going to play it on a loop. Great. How about we add some bass? So I'm going to select bass over here and see what options that we have. We have, let's try bass groove 4. 10. I liked 4. So once again, just drag it and it goes wherever you leave it. So now it's right there. Let's say I want it to start one measure earlier. I can just click and drag it again and it'll move. Let's see what that sounds like. So it sounds pretty good. I want to loop it once more, so we'll stop it there, and let's say I want to add a different sort of bass for it to transition into. Great, let's use that one. Move that one up here, where that one ended, and now we have it doing this. That seems like a plausible transition, so I'm going to leave that there. And just for the sake of stereotypes, let's add a guitar. That sounds good. And that will be, I think, enough for this. So let's see what that sounds like. Maybe over here. Yeah, this doesn't sound like the worst. Fabulous. I want the drums and the bass to stop at the same time, so I unloop that a little bit. Okay, not the smoothest ending, but it works for this.